Hi, welcome to Lawnmower Care. So if you just adjusted valves and it's still not wanting to spin, the next thing you want to do is remove the engine, remove the sump cover, and here's what you'll find. Okay, so we have the sump cover off. This is a good one here where you can see the compression release opens and closes on the cam. Here's their cam. Want to make sure that they line up, but remove the cam, flip it over. There's no compression release on the bottom side. So when we look inside, you can kind of see what's going on now. So that was the problem. That's why when you go to start the mower, it won't spin. You know, it acts like the starter's not strong enough. What happens when it spins, this opens and closes and lets some of the compression out of the exhaust so it can spin. So we have a bad cam here with the compression release. Now we'll have to put on a new gasket and a new crank seal, which is located on the bottom side of this sump. We'll have to replace that seal as well. So a couple seals, new compression release and cam, and put it all back together and reassemble the machine. Okay, test. That's what we like to hear. If you like what you're watching and you want to see more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.